Okay, my name is Nate Aune, and I'm going to give a quick talk about Plone4Artists calendar. My slides work. Okay, I thought I only had 5 minutes. I have another 2 minutes. Maybe there'll be time for questions. So first I'm going to talk about some existing event calendar solutions, CalendarX, some of you may be familiar with. Then I'm going to show the Plone4Artists calendar, and especially how it's using ZOP3.5 technology. I won't be showing that, but I'll just be mentioning it. It has the ability of color coding events by type. You can publish your calendar via iCal, and you can aggregate events with smart folders. And then lastly, I'll be talking how you can get involved. So some of you may be familiar with CalendarX. It's a product for Plone that lets you display calendar events. And we've used this for some customer deployments. And it looks really great on the outside, but then when you kind of dig under the hood, you find that it uses a lot of property sheets and lots of really nasty stuff. You can't test it, and it's hard to customize. So we started thinking about, well, how could we make a better calendaring solution that's just using Plone out-of-the-box folder? So using ZOP3 marker interfaces, we built a product, Rocky Bird. You may have heard today, he gave a long tutorial about ZOP3, which lets you basically mark any folder as a calendarish folder. And once you mark that folder as a calendar folder, you're then able to select different views. For example, a month view, an event list view, an archive view, you can also mark a smart folder as a calendar view. So that means you could use smart folders to aggregate all the events on your site and then view them as a month view. So I'm not going to show, since I lost a little time there, I'm not going to show the actual adding folders and stuff, but I'm going to show a really cool feature that's included with the Marshall product in calendaring. So if you're using iCal on your desktop computer, and let's say you want to publish, I have all the events that are going on at the Plone conference right now. You can see they're all lined up here. I'm going to publish this calendar to my Plone site, so I go up to Calendar, Publish, and we'll just say Plone Conf, say private server, and localhost. Say Publish. It sends it to my Plone site and tells me it's been successfully published. And we'll refresh the Plone site. And you can see now I have a folder here called PloneConf. And inside that folder is a list of all the events that are happening this week for particular tracks. These are all AT event objects. Then I can go up to the Actions menu. And you'll notice there's now a new action here called Activate Configure Calendar. So I can select that. Check the box to activate it, say apply, and let's view our new calendar activated folder. You can see now we have a calendar in a month view, and I can click over a day and see what's happening on any particular day, what events. And if I use the keyword tag, I could actually, you can choose appointment, conference, whatever. That would actually show up on the calendar as different colors. So there's some color coding. From the display menu, I can select an event list, and then instead of showing it in a month view, it'll show it in an event in a listing view. What am I missing, Rocky? Smart folders. Paul, time? 1 minute. Okay. Try to do this really, really fast. Smart folders. Just as we did a normal folder, I can also activate a smart folder as a calendar view. So you can go up to Actions and say, activate this as a calendar. And we'll just say criteria, event item type, say add, and we'll choose event. So imagine that you had a whole bunch of different folders scattered all throughout your Plone site. You could make a smart folder that would aggregate all those by keyword or by author or by date range. So this is showing me all the events that have been added to the Plone site. I could add additional criteria. That's pretty much it in a nutshell. This product was released a couple days ago, 1.0 alpha, and we encourage all of you to download it, try it out. That's my bell. All right, I'm just going to throw this slide up here for more information. You can download it on Plone.org. You can read more about it on Plone4Artists.org. There's a mailing list for users and for developers, and there's an IRC channel, Plone4Artists on IRC for No.NET. Thank you.